Hello. Welcome back to channel. We're making banana bread. Thank you, Gingy from
Kaba
for giving me this idea. Since last summer, I haven't set up my equipment yet, so. Okay. What? Oh my gosh, no! Okay, I got some bananas. They're not that ripe, but they're bananas. First, we start with preheating the oven. Okay, I gotta go do that. Hold on. Let me take it with me. Is it 350?
Well, on
Yeah,
your
that's
way to
good. That's
becoming-
good. Alright. I need melted butter. Oh, wonderful. There's a piece of paper in the butter. No.
You're well on your
1 pinch of salt. 3/4 cup of real. Oh, I hurt my index finger. Egg. Hold on, let me take you with me. I'm gonna show you what's in my fridge. Alright, so we have some apple juice, some real lactose-free milk, a lot of dairy. We got my Dr. Peppers. Hey! Oh, my butter's done. And then we got huevo. Please stay up. It won't stay up, so I'm just gonna carry you with me for a little bit. We need vanilla extract, so let's go get that. Blue peppermint. Imitation vanilla flavor. I need a pan. Shut up! Do I have to fill it up again? Fine, now I have to clean it. Okay, I'm just gonna leave you here, and I'm gonna have you talk with the bananas. Here's the unripened banana. Here's, I don't know, the 2 Siamese twins who love Dr. Pepper. You can talk to them while I fix whatever I'm doing.
Wanna join my free gift card giveaway? Wanna join my free gift card giveaway? Wanna join my free gift card giveaway? Wanna join my free gift card giveaway?
Wanna join my free stock
Wanna join my free gift card giveaway? Wanna join my free gift card giveaway?
Are you guys done talking? Okay, bye-bye. Let's go microwave some more butter. I tend to put a bunch of things in the microwave for too long, so they always
Well, on
end
your
up
way to
exploding.
becoming-
I will put it back in the microwave for a small amount of time. Just a teeny bit. Alright, time to mash banana. I almost dropped the whole drawer. How does one... Welcome to Funny Corner. Let me phrase that. Welcome to I can't English. You know what? Never mind. Now I gotta mash these bananas.
50% of human DNA is shared with a banana.
Okay, I'm gonna speedrun this real quick, so put some Sonic music over it or something. See, I told you, speedrun. You know what? I'm gonna add another banana. Melted butter. What if I put la lechera instead of vanilla? This is lechera. I have a feeling that has been in the fridge for a while. We'll use this. Mix in the baking. I forgot the baking soda. Hold on, everyone. Come with me. Freak you, butter! It did it again! It didn't even melt this time. Dumps. Freaking bro. I don't know if we have baking soda. No, I gotta finish this video. No! This is a bad sign, guys. My lemon ginger tea fell. What if it's under the sink? Where do moms put baking soda? No, I don't want to walk to the store. I mean, there's baking powder. What if I use a Dr. Pepper instead? That says soda, right? Oh, this is not a piece. Lechera. What the dog? Yay! Oh my gosh, what is that? Yeah, this is an animal crackers, container. Uno. Okay, now time to kind of finish this. Welcome to the oven. No! Hold on. Everyone, you guys like the kitchen drip? He's got the heart It's an avocado? Yeah, heck yeah, they're vibing in the kitchen. But you see what's not vibing? This thing that I forgot to take out of the freaking oven. I kind of burned myself. That's fine. That's fine. I did it. If you're wondering what this is, I think you can actually make popcorn on it. It should pop. You know what? Let's experiment. I need the knife. Bye-bye. Okay. Hi guys. We're gonna experiment, alright? Yeah, frick the banana bread. We're gonna experiment. We're gonna put a tiny little popcorn kernel. And then we're just gonna put it right here. And then see if it pops. Yeah, now we wait. That was some fun waiting, alright? Now back to the video. I mean, this will just be a really flat banana bread. Or we can make it a Christmassy, stylish birthday cake banana bread. We can make bear-shaped banana breads. I think I'm gonna take just this. Whoa, LED lights. It's the shape of the M. Bye-bye. Why is it stuck? No! Oh no, it burned! What a waste of a popcorn kernel.
Yo! Ah!
I forgot the salt! Wait! You know what? Forget the salt. I guess there's no salt for this banana bread. Oh. Cállense. Yay, I'm done. Oh my gosh, get out. Oh my gosh, the middle. Yeah. More time. I forgot to mention that the vlog that I kept talking about. Yeah, no, that vlog is canceled. I just kind of ended up giving up on it because there's so much clips and I kind of just got rid of some. So vlog canceled on Epic. You get this instead. This is way better. Time to decorate. I found some sprinkles, so I guess I can use these. I also found color mist that I bought like 2 years ago. I can still use it. I'll try it first. Hold on. Yup, it's shiny and gold. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that piece of art. Are you sure this is edible? It says shimmering food color spray, but I just had a huge whiff of alcohol. I guess it's just shining now. This, no. I kind of want to make something out of the sprinkles, but I guess it's just gonna probably be a pain because they're all... This is gonna be so fun to clean. I'm gonna do them like one sprinkle at a time. Okay, go back, sprinklies. Okay, I got a plan. We take some cream cheese, grab a Ziploc bag. Now to top it off with a period. It's complete. It's complete. Oh, oops. Okay, that was an accident. I'm sorry, audience. I'm sorry, citizens of the internet. Wait, it's actually not entirely complete. Come back, sprinkles. Finally. GG. Oh wait, yeah, I forgot. We gotta taste test it. Alright, now we actually taste everybody. This is the slice of banana bread that ended up looking kind of like a cake. Delicious, right? That's pretty fine. Still pretty squishy from the inside, but it still looks cooked enough to actually eat it without dying. Thank you guys for watching video. Thank you, Gingy, for giving me the idea. Because, oh, whoop. Subscribe if you want to watch actual random genre of videos. You're from school? How the frick did you find? I'll see you in the next video if you return. Surprisingly. Sayonara XD.
Minecraft.